Hello everyone. President Cyril Ramaphosa will be back in the hot seat again today to face another round of questions from Member of Parliaments on the burglary of his PhalaPhala farm. This happened after Ramaphosa's last question and answer session a month ago was aborted by the Speaker when opposition parties rejected the manner in which Ramaphosa answered the question. Mr. PhalaPhala will, however, first face 6 other questions on matters ranging from policing, the energy crisis, and the state capture report. It will take 2 for the president on the matter of PhalaPhala after he gave this response to this question on the 30th August. He said, and the most appropriate response from my side is for the law to take its course. He will be expected to answer 4 follow-up questions. The questions will come from the African Transformation Movement, the ANC, the DA, and the EFF. President will also face 6 new questions. These include one about the investment needed to complete the Medupi and Kusile power plants, the destruction of the country's rail network, and implementation of recommendations from Zondo Commission into state capture. Well, do you think Mr. Ramaphosa should resign? Share your views on this one. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.